Hello, everyone. My name is Paul Schillinger, and I am the designer of MomNPop, which is an app whose purpose is twofold. One, it allows the general public to purchase from small and local businesses that they may not even know about very quickly and conveniently. And it allows small businesses to have a clean and simple online interface that doesn't take much effort to keep up and also allows them to better compete with large retailers and online box stores. So we're going to go ahead and log in here. And as you'll see, right at the top, right when you come in, um, there is a running total of the amount of money that's been raised for small businesses through MomNPop. This is both an incentive to the shopper to keep using this application, as well as a heartwarming statement of the good that can come from using the app. So you'll see below here you have an item and a store search, just a regular search bar. You also have a category search here, so you can search by category if you need to. And then finally, recommended items based on your search history. So let's go ahead. Let's look for guitars here. And if you'll see here, when you use the search bar, you come across items that are related to your search, as well as stores that contain the item that you're searching. So we're just going to go ahead and click on items here. The item guitars here, excuse me. As you'll see in the search results, we're viewing these results by item. You can see the items that are guitars in the list here, as well as their rating and just how many locations they're available from in your area. We can also search by store. And again, these are stores whose inventory contains this search result. So we'll go back to item here and click on the Telecaster. And on the item page here, you'll see at the top the name of the item, its rating, and then a picture of the item as well. You'll see below the various places where it's available from. You'll see within each of the items here, or within each of these boxes, you have the name of the store, the cost of the item, shipping rate, as well as how far away it is. This really just gives the user a bunch of information that they may need to make their decision. Underneath, you can add the item to your cart for delivery, or you can pick it up in store if it's close enough. In this case, pianos and stuff is 3.4 miles away, so I may want to choose that and pick it up in store, because of how close it is. I don't have to pay for shipping then. Farther down, we have the item description. We have additional items that users may have bought with the Telecaster, and then finally reviews. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my cart. You'll see whenever you do add that item, there's a small toaster message that appears just to confirm that you've done what you've done. And then we'll go ahead and go into our shopping cart. So this is the checkout process. You'll see that you can review the items that you've purchased. You can also, if need be, jump back to the location that you purchased the item from, so you can purchase additional items, reduce the number of boxes that you receive, things like that. You'll also see shipping information and billing information, pretty standard stuff. And then finally at the bottom, we have the shipping item tax totals, all the totals or the total cost of your entire order. We'll then go ahead and check out. You'll see that our order has been placed with some final information. And then if we want to, we can continue shopping, and we're back here. So there is the second part of this that I would like to demo is what this looks like for a business owner. I know that we didn't really go into a store, but we'll see that side of it here in a second. So let's go ahead and log out. We're going to log in as a business owner now, so put in the owner username. And you'll see it's a little different here in terms of a workflow. Um, Instead of going to that main page where you can search for items and things like that, the business owner, in this case, the business owner of pianos and stuff, is taken into their actual store page where they can, just kind of see what everything looks like and, get a better feel of what users can see as they, if they jump into a store rather than going directly through an item. So we'll go ahead and modify our store page here. There's, a plethora of reasons why you might want to modify your store page. In this case, we want to add a background image to our store. So as you'll see here in the modify store page, you've got the name of the store, its address, all of that information. You can add a background image, update the store blog or message board as you see fit. There's also, in here, there's not the option to modify your inventory, but that is because it is a separate menu item within this business owner's dropdown. You can manage your inventory if you need to. So we're going to go ahead and add a background image. Let's grab this brick image and then save our changes. Again, there's a little toaster message that comes up telling you that it's been saved. We'll go ahead and hit the back button here. We now see our store with this brick background added. Certainly looks a little more vibrant and more fun in terms of a page. And that's sort of the point here, is that we want to create, a unique experience, or, business owners might want to create a unique experience in their store itself to give that sort of vibe of window shopping, of going to the mall, looking at all the different stores, um, kind of really being a part of the shopping experience, that vibe that comes with, walking into stores and things like that. So those are the two aspects of this app. um, I really enjoyed, working through this and having the experience of building it, of testing it, of talking to people about it. And I hope you liked it as well. So thank you very much.